So I'm gonna be real with you guys. I'm a food person. Jackie is too. She got cheese sauce on her elbow right now.
Oh my god.
I really wanted to show you the food that we got at Flame Tree BBQ, and we started eating right away. So I'm gonna show you what's left, and hopefully you can see a little bit of what we got. And this is all free, except for one thing, which I'll tell you guys. But you get a free voucher when you do a DVC event. Food, Disney foodies. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so this was a pulled pork and coleslaw sandwich. It's delicious. It was a little dry, but it was delicious. This was it looks so gross too because we attacked it, but this was the Southwest chicken salad, which was delicious and very cold. I love a cold crisp salad. And this was the pulled pork bacon mac and cheese, which was so freaking good as well. You also saw that we had poutine at Epcot. We paid for extra because we wanted it. This is pulled pork, basically poutine, but french fries with cheese, and it's delicious. Spicy and green onion, so Jackie's gonna eat that. I don't like it. So, that's the food. The french fries were $6.99, and we paid for those. Oh, we also got free water for everything. Yeah, but Disney Vacation Club Moonlight Magic event happens at every park 2 to 3 times a year. You book it like a month and a half in advance. It's free. You can enter the park at 6, and the event starts from 9 to midnight. We booked a fast pass for Everest really quick, went on that, fly. And then as soon as we got off, we booked a fast pass to Navi River. So we got 2 fast passes so far in the time frame. Navi River starts in 5 minutes. And then we'll try and see if we can get one more fast pass before the park closes. And then we have 9 to midnight to do exclusive character meets. 9:30? So many bugs. 9:30 to midnight to do exclusive character meets. There's Flit and Princess Ada. There's Russell, Doug, and Carl. There's Pocahontas and Miko, Tarzan and Turk, Minnie and Mickey, and a couple others. I took a picture of the brochure, I guess, park map with all the stuff, and that's on my Insta stories, so enjoy! We are making great time. We got here at 6. First time we were allowed to get into the event was 6 o'clock. We got here at like 6:15. We went on Everest. We went on the Navi River. We got our free food from Flame Tree BBQ. Oh my god, it was so good. And then what do we do after that? We met Mickey and Minnie. So we met Flick and Princess Ada. We met Pocahontas and Miko. We met Tarzan and Turk, and now we're gonna meet Doug, Carl, and Russell. So excited. And then we saw Kevin is doing a character meet, which we did not expect that, and we're gonna jump on his line after. So we'll let you see everything. We are waiting in line to meet Carl and Doug and Russell. Probably the longest line at Moonlight Magic, but here they come. Hi, Carl.
I know, right? Yeah.
We're about to meet Doug, Russell.
Hi. We're so excited to see them. Yay! You want to meet them?
You're so cute. Hi, Doug. So cute. Hi, Russell. Kisses everywhere. So good. Oh my god, look at your great soda win. So sweet, so handsome. So handsome. So we met Carl, Russell, and Doug. They were so cute. I loved it. And now we're gonna go see Kevin. She's so cute. She's doing all crazy poses. Kevin! Hello! You're so cute! Look how shiny all your feathers are! Aww! Flap your beautiful wings! You're a little diva! Hi, Kevin! I just see neck. We met Kevin. She was so cute. It was a little tough to get her all in the camera. So we'll see how it turned out. And now we're gonna go on Dinosaur, and there's a Dino dance party. I have a feeling we're gonna see Dino Chip and Dino Dale. And it looks like it's snowing. Uh-oh. There they are. So we went on Dinosaur, we're having a dance party, and look, Dinos! Daisy's over there. Let's go see Daisy. So beautiful. We love you, Daisy. Dino Chip! You're so cute. Look at you. Is your favorite color? Yeah. It's so cozy. I love it. It's my favorite. I like it too. Oh, I love it. So Jenga they had at the last event, but this Yahtzee is new. I actually love Yahtzee too. Like I totally want this. There's a really cute Moonlight Magic tumbler, and that is $22.99. Not bad. Oh my god, and a DVC magnet. I love that. And a Moonlight Magic hat. And then Moonlight Magic shirt. These shirts are really soft too. There's more stuff for the Lion King too. They have a Juniper collection.
These ones are limited release as well, so I mean we don't know when are we going to have more of these ones. This one is 178, 248, and 268.
248. Alright, so we're shopping in Moonlight Magic, and look who we ran into! Instagram and YouTube friends!
It's Christian, DizJabber71. Do us a favor, find us, look us up, like and subscribe, follow. Look at all of our stuff on there. Our content is amazing, and now we're gonna have this to add.
All Moonlight Magic.
Oh, DizJabbers. This chick is legit. She's chill. She's cool. I'm going to get the video from her. I'm gonna put it on my vlog. And then guess what? Throw it right across the ticker at the bottom on iMovie, and you're going to find her. I'm looking at the other side. You're gonna find her, and you're gonna follow, and we're going to work this out.
It'll be so fun. You won't regret it. We're gonna have great stuff from the Moonlight Magic event all over our
Scan
Instagram
this,
and YouTube. Do it.
Mm-hmm.
See ya.
Out.
I think I did good on that one, vlog.